All right, friends, it's time to get emotional again. I've put together another 4-note combo that's gonna sound dramatic, it's gonna sound emotional, and it's gonna give you hours and hours of ideas that you can explore and take and make your very own. I think we all just wanna be able to sit down at the piano and play something incredible, something impressive, so I've gotcha. So in this case, we're gonna be playing with those 4 notes. I know, it's shocking. That does not sound good, but watch what happens when we do this. So it's super easy to do. It's just about finding the feel and figuring out what the notes are. So we're gonna play C, F, E, C, F, E, C, D. So let's just break that down a little bit. C, F, E, C. So start there. C, F, E, C, and then F, E, C, D. Let's do it again. I'm using my pedal, by the way. It makes it sound a little smoother. Do, 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 do. And then the magic happens when you start to add in your left hand. Now, pretty much any note, any white key in the left hand is gonna sound amazing, except for B. For now, I would suggest that you avoid B. Any of the other ones are fair game, so we can start here. Do anything you like with it and it's gonna sound pretty darn good. So that's the foundation. I love how the octaves sound in the left hand because it really creates like some depth, but there are so many options. I was just playing a broken fifth. That was a solid fifth, Lisa, but you could play broken. You could do an arpeggio. Sky's the limit, my friends. So there you go. 4 notes. You've got hours and hours of fun that you can have with this concept. So I would absolutely love to hear what you come up with. Get creative. Film yourself, record yourself, share it in the comments below. I cannot wait to hear. So, if you love this video, please feel free to hit like, subscribe, so you never miss another one, and happy practicing.